Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a black and white photos like this by using Google Photos on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So to create a black and white effect on your photo by using Google Photos on your mobile phone, first you click on the edit section on the bottom. After clicking on the edit section, you have this option called, you have a lot of other more options like this, but you just go to the options called adjust. After getting into the adjust or go, just go to the filter and here just swipe down. You have to swipe to the bottom and you can find different type of black and white options. So you can just use any one of this. So and also if you just need to manually, you just need to create a black and white effect, go to the adjustment and here you just need to try options like brightness, warmth to highlight point to make it more better. For an example, just going to decrease the white points here and just going to increase the highlights and also some shadows can be corrected. So you can get some darkness by adjusting the shadows to the minus point. And here the black point. So I'm just going to increase the black point so you can see how the photos has been changed to this black and white effect. This is how you just create a black and white effect or black and white edit on your Google photo with your photo. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.